You're at Universal Studios with family. You've had a rough few months. You make one stupid decision, steal over $1,200 in merchandise. Security catches you. Police arrive. You're arrested for grand theft, a felony. Your 6-year-old son is in the park with friends. You call your dad from Handcuffs, crying, "I feel like jumping off a building." Now you face years in prison. Would you risk everything for theme park merchandise?
During the incident.
Come out over here for us for a sec, okay? Go ahead, turn around, put your hands behind your back. Yeah. All right. We're double locking it so it doesn't tighten up when you're on you, okay? You're being arrested. They're charging you for the grand theft, okay? Because of the amount you stole, okay?
Can I sit down real quick?
I'll let you sit down.
Yeah.
Search real quick. Come on back here for me real quick.
Are those all yours?
So,
Is there a family member outside I can give them to? Mm-hmm.
can you tell me how much I stole? How much you got?
It was about $1,200. People make mistakes, man. There's a bond, so it's not like, you're stuck in there. It's your phone and wallet, right? You can take those. Now the bags. Do you have a family member here that I can give them to? Okay. Are they outside?
Bravo, we clear for 42.
Can you take my hat off?
Yep.
Okay, for Bravo, you clear and join.
I'm going to cooperate.
No, I know.
I'm just,
Taking it all in, right?
yeah. I've had a rough few months and this is not.
That's no
helping
problem,
me.
man. Is there anyone
Yeah.
we can get those to?
Yes.
Were they? Do you know if they were waiting outside?
No, they're not. They're in the park. They're not inside.
They're not.
They're like in the park. There's
Yeah.
nobody outside.
Can we call them and tell them to meet
Yeah.
at guest services? That way I can get those to them.
Yeah.
Because the jail won't accept those. That's a problem.
No, yeah. Don't come.
Okay. All right.
I just have bad anxiety and I'm really
No
messed up
problem.
right this second. I'm just trying to get my head straight. I'm sorry if I'm bothering this. I apologize. My life.
If they're clear,
You're not the first and you're not the last.
I'm already going through so much right now. I'm just.
Who can I call?
Can you open my phone? Just open my. It's open. Go up. Go to. Right there. Go to J. John, J-U. Yeah, right there.
John?
Yeah, you can just call me. Just call me right from there.
Oh, John.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm actually 51 right now, Chief.
Where should he come to?
Guest services.
Yo. Can you go to guest services? I fucked up.
Hey, hold on. Where's guest service?
Yeah, listen, just you. Don't bring the kids.
Okay.
Just go to guest services. All right.
Where's that?
That's in the. It's in the
At
front.
the front, go to the front entrance and go to the left, and you'll see guest services. Go in there and ask for investigations, and I'll have them standing by.
Okay.
Yo. Yeah, go there.
Bonds 2,000.
Okay.
All right.
So if you go to the bail bonds, it's 200.
You can hang up. Can you if I give you 2,000 now?
No.
I would say.
You did the jail.
Can I go back because I got a flight in the morning anyway? So thanks. Go to DAD. Call it. Anthony, are you with my dad? All right. Is he with Aunt Donna?
Yeah.
All right, thanks.
All right, bye.
Can you go to, I'm sorry, I know this is,
That's all right.
I'm asking a lot. Can you go to Aunt Donna? Just,
Aunt Donna? Is it under Aunt?
yeah, Aunt. Where's the, if he brings the 2,000, can I pay cash for it?
Yeah, it's a cash bond. You can,
Like when I get there, could I?
yeah, does he, are they here in Orlando?
Yeah.
Does he know where the 33rd, the Orange County jail is?
Yo, Aunt Donna. Can you put my dad on?
He's on his way.
He's on his way where?
What'd you say? What'd you just say?
Can you put my dad on?
Oh, he's on his way to Zeus.
What's he driving there?
No, I'm going with the golf cart.
All right, bye.
All right?
No, I'm not. Wait, here.
Hold on.
I'm gonna need you to drive my dad to where?
Orange County jail.
Orange County Jail.
What?
I did something stupid at Universal. I stole some merchandise. Yes. I know. Tell me about it. I feel like jumping off a building. Don't take that serious.
No.
Okay. Where is it at exactly?
It's at 33rd and JYP.
John Young Parkway and pretty much I-4.
I-4 33rd and JYP. It's the Orange County
Jail.
Jail.
Google it and they'll find it.
All right.
Orange County Jail. Where's Logan?
He's with my friends. He's going to stay with them. Tell my dad he's going to need to bring $2,000. Will I take a debit card?
I have no idea. That's the jail. I don't know how the jail operates.
Yeah.
It's a $2,000 bond.
I mean, I'll pay the cash. I have the cash. I'll pay.
Once we get there, I'll let you talk with
Can it be credit
corrections
card?
staff.
Yeah, can it be?
I have no idea.
Once he gets there, ma'am, I'll let him talk with the corrections staff. I think they'll let them do that, but I have to let him talk with the staff there.
All right. Don't call
His
him.
friend's going to guest services to get that.
All right.
Orange County Jail.
Orange County Jail. See you there.
Oh, no.
Can I send?
All right.
Friends are gonna come in, aren't they gonna come and get all your stuff?
Yeah, they both drive. I was going to tell them to grab it.
You wanna call him one more time? We'll make one more phone call.
Yeah. Can I get the number out? All right. Dad. Yo. Yeah, I'm in some trouble. I got arrested. Yeah, for stealing in Universal like an asshole. No, Dad. I know. Trust me, I'm not, I don't feel right. He's with Jung and Ita. He doesn't even know about it. So I need you to come bail me out. It's $2,000.
Okay, all right.
Orange County Jail. Aunt Donna knows. And so go. Yeah, Aunt Donna. I called Aunt Donna. Go to Aunt Donna. Aunt Donna and Athletic will drive you to get me out. All right. And Logan will be fine. He's going to be with Ita and Jung.
All right.
All right.
Okay, yeah, of course. So,
I'll see you in a little
all
bit.
right, y'all, here they go now.
Beat us to the goddamn jail. They're gonna come and get that. Or you're not. I guess you're not. You're gonna come.
No, they'll take it to them.
Can you zipper that front pouch? That's where the key is.
This one?
Yeah.
All right. All right.
Can you put the hat in there?
You don't want to bring the hat?
Yeah, screw the fucking hat. Sorry.
Which bag?
That blue one. Sorry.
All right.
You want me to stand up?
Yeah. Need help?
They doing the 69. Or?
Yeah, I'll get it. Yeah, I'll get that.
Come
yeah.
on out, buddy.
They already told me he's trespassed, so.
Yeah, no, I talked to
We're coming out, y'all.
Yeah, absolutely.
You guys have the trespass form? This copy?
Yeah. You have a copy for it?
So that's your original. That's
Oh, that's your original.
Thank you.
Well, that's his.
Okay.
That's his.
Oh, gotcha.
Yours.
Okay.
Well,
Your ID is back in your wallet.
Oh,
Okay.
When everybody goes in handcuffs when they get transported to it.
no, it's alright. I get it. I understand. It's your job. You got a bunch of police officers in your family members.
Have a seat for me, buddy.
Seems secure.
Here's the hard truth about stealing at theme parks in the United States. Theme parks have some of the best security in the world. Cameras everywhere. Trained loss prevention staff. Advanced surveillance systems. Direct partnerships with local police. When you steal from Universal Studios, Disney, or any major theme park, you will get caught. And when you get caught, you'll be arrested. You'll be banned for life. You'll face felony charges if you steal over $750. You'll have a permanent criminal record. Is a few $100s of merchandise worth losing your freedom, your reputation, and your relationship with your children? If this case showed you how one impulsive decision at a theme park can turn into felony charges, a permanent record, and the loss of your child's respect, I want to ask you, did this video teach you something you didn't know before? Did you realize that stealing over $750 is a felony? Did you see how theme park security catches everyone? Did you understand the lifetime consequences of one bad decision? If this gave you knowledge that could stop you or someone you love from making the same mistake, hit that subscribe button right now. We analyze real police body cam footage from theme parks across the United States, so you can see the consequences before you make the decision. Drop a like if you didn't know stealing over $750 is automatic felony grand theft in Florida. Leave a comment. Do you think this man deserves a second chance, or should he face the full penalty for his crime? Here's why this channel matters. We show you the human side of criminal justice. We don't just explain the law. We show you the phone calls from handcuffs, the tears, the shame, the impact on children. Because in the United States, stealing $1,200 from Universal Studios can cost you everything. So if this breakdown gave you value, if you learned about grand theft laws, theme park security, or the collateral consequences of felony convictions, subscribe now, because we're going to keep showing you the reality of what happens when desperation, bad decisions, and poor judgment collide with the law. Don't be like this man. No matter how rough life gets, don't steal. Seek help. Ask for support. Make better choices. Because one felony conviction will follow you for life, and your children will pay the price too.